Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bilisuma Show with Wesa. There is this rumor going on online that Kumada Max's passport and Abdullah Gamada's passport were taken away by the Tipalep elites. Kumada Maxa speaks of Oromo, Abdullah speaks of Oromo, and you think they care about Oromo people? You think they concern about Oromo students being tortured, killed in Hambo, Burayu, Asela, Walaga, Aramaya, anywhere else? You think they care? Because they speak of Oromo, you think they're concerned about Oromos? I don't think so. I told you this many times. Just because somebody speaks your language, just because somebody like Abadullah Gamada or Kumada Maxa is speak upon Oromo, that doesn't mean they care about Oromo people. That doesn't mean they're concerned about Oromo people. About Dula Gamada and Kumada Maxa work for the TPLF. They are individuals. I see them as individuals who work for their best interest and for the best interest of their family. Period. I don't see them as leaders of Oromo people or Ethiopian people or anybody. I see them as an individuals, period. For some reason, for the reason that I don't understand, some individuals think Abadullah Gamada and Kumada Maksa represent Oromo people, speak for Oromo people. I don't see. When was the last time that you see them? They speak upon Oromo. Well, they speak upon Oromo. They speak for Oromo people, or they concern about Oromo people. As you have seen it on media, Badula Gamada went to Hambo. Did he say those Oromos that were killed by those Tepelepists, those elites are going to be responsible for killing Oromo students? Did you hear that? Did you hear Kumad Maxa say uh, those individuals that killed Oromo students in Hambo are going to be brought to justice. Justice will be served for Oromo families. No, he didn't. He never said that. So what makes you think? What makes you think they care about Oromo people or the concern about Oromo people? Who are they? Kumada Maksa. Yeah, Kumada Maksa, Abadullah Gamada. What makes you think they care about Oromo people? Or just because they speak about Oromo and they have Oromo names? And you think somehow they care, they concern about Oromo students being killed by the Tigrinya speaking security forces? They call them Agesi? Totally, totally wrong. If you think they care about Oromo people. If you don't know, they don't really care about Oromo people. Opidio was hired to do the job. Abadullah Gamada was hired to work for the TPLF. Kumada Maksa was hired by the TPLF for the work. Kumada Maksa works. Kumada Maksa was Kumada Maksa was hired to work for the TPLF. Abadullah Gamada was hired to work for the TPLF. Why don't you get that? Why don't you understand that they don't work for Oromo people? They don't represent Oromo people. And if the TPLF took their passport, uh, that I really don't care about that. I concern more about Oromo farmers who live around Finfinne and Oromo students who are getting abused and torture on the street of Hambo, Walaga, and Burayo. You should focus on that. Focus on Pimpine Master Plan and Oromo students. Don't I really suggested that you don't really was too much of a time and energy on Abdullah Gamada's passport taken away from him, Kumada Maxa's passport taken away from him from by the same people that they work for. Don't get distracted by those individuals. That's what they want you to talk about. You see, the TPLF wants you to talk about those individuals and their passport. I don't want you to talk about the passport and Abadola Gamada and Komada Max, I want you to focus on Oromo issues, Oromo students, and Pimpine Master Plan. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Wesa. Until next time, bye bye.